Is your car suffering from a lethargic throttle response? The new K&N Throttle Control Module is designed to improve throttle response and acceleration, and improve pedal sensitivity without modifying factory ECU settings. The Throttle Control Module processes input data from the gas pedal and bypasses the factory signal to the vehicle's ECU, sending a modified signal directly to the throttle body, creating an increase in throttle responsiveness that'll make your car feel like a whole new machine. The Throttle Control Module can typically be installed in less than 30 minutes with no software required and is adjustable on the go, helping you fine-tune the sensitivity of your throttle response. The kit includes the module, wiring harness, adjustable dial, hardware, and detailed instructions. If you're interested in an immediate increase in responsiveness and acceleration, order your Throttle Control Module from knfilters.com today.